thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County and northwest Arkansas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Eureka Springs and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and
Multiple
trees.
tornado warnings now.
Locations in